Hi everybody, today I have a brand new release for you. It's a refusion and it's a new king of music. No SUNO, no similar pied instrument. This tool is completely free and you can use it without any restriction. And the results? Unbelievable. So first, we will sign up. You can choose to register, but I will sign up by Google. I will choose my account and I will log in. We will confirm the term of use. I agree, continue. We will create a username, for example, WebLuke, and let's go. We are in the basic Refusion environment. First, I'm going to show you some of the creation that Refusion has made. So we will choose another city, which is the highest rate, and click on play.
Moment passes, your tour lights got me so damn reckless. Leave these marks upon my necklace. After the bass drops, when the crowd stops, baby, tell me what you need. Tomorrow's just another city. Tonight you're fucking with me pretty. Say you wanna, say you need it, but we both know that you're leaving.
And it sounds really great. So we are gonna create something similar to that. First, we are gonna click on generate. In this panel, you will type the prompt for your song. But we are going to leave it up to Refusion by clicking random. It automatically chooses genres for us. And we will put generate. Now it is going to create two samples for us. We are gonna wait a little while for them to be created. Now songs are done and we're going to play them. The song is 2 minutes and 46 seconds long and it's called Can't Quite You. Let's play it.
Late night calls, I pick up again. Acting cool, but I know how this ends. Said you changed, yeah, I've heard that before. Every time I try to walk out the door, way too deep, yeah, I know what you mean. Got me hooked like your favorite machine. In my head, yeah, you live there and free. Can't pretend that I wanna break free. Your love is harder than bass. Got me stuck in a space. Every hearing's a trace, and I can fall to waste. Even though I know you're poison, got me paralyzed and frozen. Even though I know you're poison, baby, tell me what I chose this.
Whew. This is another bomb. Really, for a song that it created completely out of nothing, just a prompt that AI made up herself, it's extremely good. The bass, the background music, the singer is realistic. Then the drop, it's really amazing. It's really an instrument that completely replaced the vocal scene. Now let's try to create our own lyrics now. So we need lyrics and the genre of the song. And we are going to use ChatGPT to do that. So we will write down, type me lyrics for the best hit of 2025. And we are going for an upbeat and dancey vibe. Now the ChatGPT write us completely lyrics for the song. We will simply copy it. You have to copy it with the brackets also. And I will show you why right now. We will simply paste the lyrics into the compose with the chorus, bridge, drop. And it's because refusion composition is best when you Custom lyrics meet this specific part, so the instruments know which part to sing and how to put the bass, voice, and all these musical values in there. So this is what your song composition should look like. When you have it set up that way, you are going to have the best result. That's what the prompt should be tailored to, whether you want a generated one or your own. I recommend you to read this thing. And now, let's get to creating our song. We don't want an instrumental, but we can put it in there. And the vibe will be upbeat and dancey. And we will click on generate. Again, we will wait a little bit. And the songs are done. And let's go straight to checking them out.
Lights flash, bass drops, we're electric. Heartbeats sync up, so magnetic. Neon dreams were lost in the sound, no slowing down. We're breaking the ground. We're running wild, no regrets, no doubt. Hands to the sky, let's shut this place down. The rhythm takes us higher, we can't come down. No stopping now, no stopping now. We just wanna feel alive. Dance until we touch the sky. Let the music take us high. Lose control and feel the vibe. We just wanna feel alive.
Now, this is really something. This song is really something more. And now let's push it into one more level. Now, for example, we can have Refusion create the lyrics. We will simply click on Ghostwriter and give some prompt for our lyrics. For example, summer and holiday. And the program now create the lyrics for us. As you can see, now we got whole lyrics just by typing two words. Now we click in the sound box on advanced. Here we can select and add more genres of music and specify their intensity to your song. For example, we will add pop and we will turn it up a little bit. We will take down upbeat and dancey and add some rock and give it a strange about like upbeat and simple click on generate and we will wait again for a moment. In the meantime, I'm going to show you the whole Refusion environment. In the side panel you have your profile. You can customize it, add bio, change profiles photo, titles photo. Here are your songs to share, not the ones you create, but the one you share. Personals. Here is your way through Refusion. You earn rewards for each song, completing things like create your first song, listen song, create 50 songs. For all of this you get points that raise your level in Refusion. For this you will have more options in the overall app. You have the option of playlist as well. I don't have it, but we will create some right now. Click on plus button and we will name it example and click on create playlist. You can also change the photo. We can share it, play it and add your songs to it. We'll click on the song and put add the playlist and choose a playlist example. So that is all for the environment. Now let's play our song. And let's try Rhythm Unites.
Soft in my hair, sun on my skin. Moving with you, don't know where to begin. Your smile
everything is coming out very well, and I'm absolutely blown away by how such a great piece of equipment can be completely free. You can as well upload your own audio. Click the panel, select upload, and choose what you want to upload. Of course, it only supports audio formats. You see you have option here like cover or extend, or we can replace some part of the song with our song. You have unlimited possibles with no limits. You can use the full potential of the instrument, and the results are really worth it. They are really better and more detailed like Suno. The songs aren't as robotics as in Suno. And one last thing in conclusion, remember to always use the last model version, Fuse 0.8, to get the best result. And that will be all for this video. I hope it helped you. Give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. And I look forward to the next video.